20 degrees colder than it was last time.
You don't think so?
No. There's no humidity almost.
Yeah. Put the 47W.
Great. That's only low. 345.
Oh, we lowered the launch jet from 5,700 to 4,600 in an effort to keep the front end down.
Pressure, same?
Tire pressure is now up to 10.
Down there by Q10. 1064.